Okay, right now let's work on PowerPoint. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on Office, and then I'm going to click on Add, and then I'm going to come to PowerPoint. As you can see, oh, it has forms. Wow, that's the new stuff. Oh, you can create form right in. That's powerful. Well, let me leave myself alone. So I click on PowerPoint and I'll come to blank presentation, but you can create something from a template, you see any template that you like, and then this is what makes it so easy. So you just choose the template and then click, and then you start creating your just like it is in the main big document. So I think I'm going to click on this one and then create a template from it, and then that's all. So I'll just type the title of my document and see how to use Microsoft Microsoft PowerPoint in a smartphone. So I'm just going to double click there and say okay, as presented. I think that is a Cobel presented by Chukwubunam Wabu, and then you can zoom out. So that is that. So the next thing I want to do is to add the next thing. So if I want to add a picture, so everything is just there. See, look at it. We can imagine, see all the handles that we need. Okay, but so fine. So this insert, this draw, this design, this transition, this animation, this slideshow, this is going to be so dope. Okay, so but let me just see how far. Let me just show you a quick one. So I'm just going to click on this button to add the next slide. Very simple. So I'm going to add the next slide. So I'm going to double click, and I'm going to call it introduction. Okay, so in this introduction I want it to get in, because this may burden this guy first. So this introduction, I want it to get to this next part, and I want it to be indented inside. So I'm just going to come and click here. This is where I'm targeting that place. Okay, so it can be like it's part of the introduction. So I'll click on it. This is gone inside. So you'll see first install PowerPoint from Play Store, and then I'll click on enter. It goes to the next one. Let me just handle this first. Okay, this first. I go to the next one. I'm going to use my mic. So you click on next. I was just dictating, so I'm just going to leave it like that. Okay, let me just add one more. Then I won't come here. Let me read it. So this is what we have now. So I'm just going to go ahead and so this is what we have for an introduction. See, neat slide, very neat. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the next one, and then we'll go to, and then we'll call it understanding the terrain. I'm gonna call it, what am I saying? Oh my god, I've deleted my bullet points. I'm going to add another bullet point back. Okay, good. So now I'm going to click on enter, and I'm going to indent it. See, so I'm just going to start typing. Now I'm going to so you see. going to click enter. I'm still going to indent it again because I want to make a list, and then I'll say I'm just going to stop here. I'm going to click out because I don't think I really need this other one. I really need to click out of here. And I want it to, let me just check. Okay, yes, okay, so to click out of there, I'll just come and click this particular place to disengage that button. Okay, so I'll just click here, click out there, and then I can now click back out. Excuse me. Okay, so now I'll use the indent button, this indent button, to get it back to where it is supposed to be. Okay, so good. I'll just come here and then indent it back to where the original border was. See, back a bit. So good. So I'll say and so many other and other tabs. So do you know what? I want to show the tab right here, right now. Okay, I want to show the tab right here. So first of all, I'm going to make this thing bigger, just because I want to put a picture. I want to put the picture of the tab right beneath it, and then this one that is already here. Now this one now has to do with a designer, because me now I have this. I'm a designer, I'm a web designer, and I'm a very good graphic designer by God's grace. So I'm just going to click on this, and then I'm going to click here, and then I'm going to go to, I think there should be something like okay, see this shape. Okay, good. I now selected the shape, so I'm going to go to more like fill or shape styles, size and position, shape style, fill. Let me just go to shape styles. Okay, so let me check whether I can have a very beautiful shape style. I think I'm beginning to fall in love with this one. Oh no, it's not looking awesome. Okay, so let's just look for something else. Okay, let's just look for something else, dude. I wish that this thing needs to be in black, but if it gets into black, it's going to really affect our design. So, but actually I like that color right there. So put it, no. Looking for a complementary color. Oh, that one can go, but yellow would have just been the best. The only thing that yellow is telling me that it's not working with the white inside. Like, I have to really change that into black. So why don't I just give it my own custom color? I hope it does not tell me to choose. So just come here, fill, and choose a purple. Oh, that's awesome. So let me leave it that. Let me leave it like that. So now I'm going to bring the picture and I'm going to put it right here. Okay, just somewhere here. So what was I talking about? Okay, so this is it. You'll be shocked on how I'm going to bring this picture. Well, I hope you know. So right here, I'll just come here, toggle this up, and then this is what I'm talking about here. Okay, so I'm just going to take a screenshot straight up, and now I've taken a screenshot. I will just wait, come back to my document, click on home, click on insert, go to picture, and then go to photos. I already have my screenshots. See it right there taken. So I'll just click on it and click on crop, because I just want to I think I need to put this thing this way it is, so that people can understand what I'm talking about, because I wanted to actually crop out, but I don't think it's a good idea. So I'm just going to click on confirm and click on done, and then good. So just resize the picture, bring it, and you can see it even has guideline. This is just so awesome. Like, this is work made so easy. So you see, we just have that there. So now we can actually go and do some highlighting. So let's find a way to highlight it. So that is where draw comes into place. Okay, so we want to draw with mouse touch, eraser, pen, highlighter. So I want to say draw with mouse touch. So let's click on the draw with mouse touch and then click on pen to choose. I think choose the color we want and the thickness, and so we'll just click on, let's say, green, and then I don't want color riot in my document anyway, so let me just leave it at red. No, let me leave it at black. I think black will be okay, and I'll choose the thickness. I think this thickness is okay, and then I'll just come over back to my document, zoom in. Oh, so I mistakenly click on undo, so I'm just going to click on this to show what I meant. Okay, so that's that. So I think I've drawn something nice. I was thinking about making this thing separate and then animating it, but so this is what we have right now. Like, this is how to use Microsoft PowerPoint in a smartphone. I think if I want to, can just come here, click this smartphone. The smartphone needs to be capital letter. Okay, in a smartphone, and then okay, so this one will have so far. Okay, so we have very good, and I can go ahead and continue clicking and setting up, but right now I want to animate. So let's go to in the next tab. We're going to be talking about oh, excuse me, so I just need to undo that. So in the next tab we are going to be talking about okay, let's insert. So I don't think I'm going to be talking much about, so you can even insert a video, picture, table, audio, shapes, text board, and a smart art. Okay, so but this you can draw. As you can see, we have handled the draw. We just drew. Okay, and then the design, this is where you design the background, more like format the background. But we have already chosen a design from the beginning, so we are not going to really bother about that. But where I want us to go to is transitions. That is the transitional effect and animations, and that is where we're gonna really do some work. So see in the next model, we're going to be handling transitions and animations. So let's go there.